Hi there everyone, just thought I'd do a feel-good video today. Something easy, relaxing and something that I can actually do in a relatively short time. Here we've got an old vintage watered lock, made in England, but you won't read it, so I won't bother going any further with that. And I'm using the old watered key set, and I'm going to be using that one. Insert it straight into the right to the back of the lock, hold it down to the bottom of the keyway, and there it is. Yep, pretty easy, makes me feel good. Now we'll move on to a well, I can only assume it's a lever padlock. It's stamped improved tumbler lock. Don't really know what that means. And we're going to be using the just a lever lifter. Again, just insert it in, try and find the lever. It is locked, by the way. I haven't got any keys for these. These are just something that have been laying around the joint. I did these on the forum several months ago, but I thought, what the hell, I'll do it on here. There it goes. Again, pretty simple, makes me feel good. Oh, and here's another one, heavy as buggery. Same again, use a lever wire, but we'll go for a bigger one this time. This is 2mm diameter, a bit stronger. Again, it's locked. Oh, I don't know if you saw that there. Locked. I might go for the longer one. The longer one here somewhere, yeah, go for the longer one. Maybe not. No, maybe that one's too long. Go back to the shorter one again. There it goes. Okay. I feel good. Okay, thanks for watching that. Hooroo.